Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to sign in into Samsung account. So how to add Samsung account to your device, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here. Then go to accounts and backup. And here select manage accounts. Here click on add account and here select Samsung account, and here enter your email or phone number. Here I enter my email and click on next, and it asking that your Samsung account was created using your Google account, so you need to sign in with your Google account. So click on sign in with Google and yes. Now it is asking for two-step verification. Go to your other device. And see there is a code sent to you, and type the code. Code is 136350. This is the code I got in other device, Galaxy A15 5G, Galaxy A04. Click on verify. And yes, Samsung account is now added to your device. In this way, you can easily add Samsung account to your device, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.